Here's how to add an entire script to Infloww without having to add each part of the script individually. So I finally got a YouTube dummy account set up for Infloww. So now I can start showing you guys some things. I'm getting a lot of people asking me, how do I do this? How do I do that? So I finally set up a YouTube dummy account. So now I can start showing you guys some stuff. All right. So this first video is going to be how to add a script template to Infloww. Not each part of the script, a script template. So as you just saw, you'll obviously open it up and you'll get to the home page. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click underneath here where it says growth, go down to scripts, and up in this top right, you'll have two options here. So this first option is the one you don't want to do. This is probably the one you already know how to do, but this is how to add each part of the script individually. So say if the first part of the script is like, welcome to my page, go and like a few blah, blah, blah. Go and like a few pictures and I'll send you a little something in return. That will be one part of the script. And then when they go like a few posts and that, then the next one will be, oh, thank you so much. You're the best. Now note that whenever I do spelling mistakes like that's actually intentional because I started off chatting myself. So I got too good at knowing how to look like a girl. And I noticed fucking 99% of them, right? You're like that. But anyway, so point is you don't want to do that. You don't want to add each part of the script individually because it's going to take fucking ages. So you're going to use a little shortcut here and you're going to click on this button that says import from Excel, and then it will give you the option to download a script template. So this is where you input your script, and then when you upload it to Infloww, it will recognize it because it's laid out in the format that it recognizes. So we'll just go ahead and download that. So this is what it looks like. This is the script template that you would have downloaded from Infloww. And now what you're going to have here is each part of the script. So you're going to have the name. So for example, if the script is a welcome script, I'm going to show you a little example in a sec. But say if it's the welcome script, so a script that you run as soon as a new subscriber appears, then you'll just have like welcome 1, welcome 2, welcome 3. Then you might have like objection 1, etc. So that when you're in the middle of chatting, you click the drop down box and then you'll go through and you'll see the name of the part of the script that you're up to. So these are the names that are going to pop up here. This is the text that's going to be contained in that part of the script. And then just a little note. So it might be like, use this for PPV objection. But the note doesn't really matter, all right? So this is the script template. And then here is an example. So this is a welcome script. This is one that we actually use. You can get it on my school. Link is below, along with a heap of other scripts. So this is a welcome script. So what happens is that on all of our creators' accounts, an automatic message automatically gets sent to the sub as soon as they appear. So as soon as a new sub appears, they get sent a message that actually automatically instigates this script. So the first part of the script is sent automatically. That's why it kind of just starts off like this. So the first part sends them something like, hey, do me a favor, go and like a few of my posts and I'll send you a little something, something here. And then they're all going to do that. And then you kick off the script. So this will be welcome 1. After they do that, you will say something like, oh, thank you so much. You're the best. And this is for you. And then you'll send whatever. And then they're going to say, wow, that's hot. And then welcome 3 will be like, thanks, babe. I'm glad you like it. All right. So as I said, each name is going to be the part of the script so that you know where you're up to, so that you click the drop down box when you're in the middle of chatting. And for example, if they've just replied to this one, then when you go to respond, you'll click that drop down box I was talking about. And then you know you're up to welcome 5. And then you're going to have like things that are included for objections as well. Now, as I said earlier, these notes don't really matter. So then once you have filled out this, so that this would be the entire script, and then you can go ahead and upload it to Infloww. So you'll go import from Excel like we did earlier, except this time you've already got the template. So you'll just go ahead and select it. All right. So we've selected that welcome script that I just showed you, and then we'll go ahead and import it. Success. So as you can see, it has uploaded each part of that script to save you having to do it manually. So if you were to do this manually, you would have to go add script and then write name. So for example, it'd be like welcome 8 and then blah, blah, blah. And then the text contain and the price, and it's just a lot. So this is what it looks like when the entire script is uploaded. Now, once you have done all that and uploaded a script, if the script contains any part that is selling a PPV, which they will, then after you've uploaded it, you'll go ahead and edit it. So for example, I don't know, say this was the PPV one, welcome 5. So this is one where it sends the PPV. You'll edit that. And then you'll go and select the piece of content that you're going to add. And then you'll go ahead and select the part of the content that would be sent as a PPV. Then you'll enter the message price and then you'll save it. So then when you go and select the part of the script in the middle of chatting, for example, you'll select, what was it, welcome 5. When you select welcome 5, it will say the text and then it will automatically send the PPV with the desired PPV price. All right, and then that is one script there. And then when you start uploading multiple scripts, you'll start using the tags. So for example, the tag will be welcome. And then whatever the next script is, you might have like sex session 1. And then it'll be like sex session 1, sex session 2, etc. So make sure that is organized right off the bat. Otherwise, when you have 4 scripts in here, it's going to be very fucking confusing for your chatters, all right? And anyway, that's it. I won't keep it longer than it has to. And if you like my content, you think I actually know stuff, then join my school below. You'll find me and a whole bunch of other legends in there, and we can all help you scale your own agency or your own OnlyFans account if you are a model watching this. All right. And as usual, if you like the video, go smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.